Is it time to buy or sell Amazon stock? In this video, we will explore Amazon in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 22nd of July, 2025, and we are here to give you an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any critical updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 28th of May, 2025, our system has ranked Amazon as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.03. Let's take a closer look at the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 11.11% since we first identified Amazon as a buy candidate 38 days ago. This translates to an average return of 0.29% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a narrow and robust rising trend in the short term, indicating a further upward movement. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 21.93% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return ranging between 18.08% and 23.28%. In terms of a longer outlook, our 12-month analysis projects a change of around 13.89%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 12.27% to positive 28.42% over the next year. This would place the future price somewhere between $199.57 and $292.12. Our latest daily update for Amazon includes the headline, "Weaker Technical Forecast for Amazon as Stock Downgraded to Buy Candidate." The Amazon stock price decreased by nearly 0.8% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 22nd of July, 2025, dropping from $229.30 to $227.47. During that trading session, the stock experienced fluctuations of 1.61%, with a low of $226.35 and a high of $230. The price has increased in 7 of the last 10 days and has risen by 3.7% over the past 2 weeks. Interestingly, the trading volume declined on the last day alongside the stock price, which is generally a positive indicator since volume should align with stock movements. Specifically, the trading volume fell by 6 million shares, with a total of 34 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $7.74 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded stock price was $242.52, while the lowest was $151.61. Currently, the price stands 6.21%, or $15.05, below the 52-week high, and 82.57%, or $1,077.73, below the all-time high reached on January 15, 2018, when the price peaked at $1,305.20. Amazon continues its strong performance, with shares closing just below $230, marking a fresh high after a 1.4% increase. This momentum suggests robust investor sentiment, potentially driving short-term gains ahead of the upcoming earnings report on August 1st. Wall Street analysts remain optimistic, with several institutions raising their price targets significantly, which bodes well for the stock's near-term outlook. In a strategic move, Amazon has announced its acquisition of the artificial intelligence startup Bee, known for its innovative wearable technology. This acquisition aligns with Amazon's ambitions to enhance its artificial intelligence capabilities and could position the company favorably in the ever-competitive tech space. The integration of artificial intelligence could lead to operational efficiencies and the potential for new revenue streams, reinforcing long-term growth prospects. Despite some short-term headwinds, including labor issues and competitive pressures, Amazon's fundamentals remain strong, driven by solid performances in Amazon Web Services and advertising. Analysts are maintaining a strong buy consensus, with a median price target suggesting an 11.8% upside from current levels. In the long haul, Amazon's focus on artificial intelligence, cloud computing, and consumer goods is likely to create sustained shareholder value, mitigating potential volatility from market fluctuations. Overall, the outlook remains bullish for Amazon, supported by its diverse growth strategies and positive analyst sentiment. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 11th of July, 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned Amazon an overweight rating, accompanied by a hold recommendation. On Thursday, the 10th of July, 2025, Citigroup also assigned Amazon a market outperform rating, along with a hold recommendation. On Tuesday, the 8th of July, 2025, Roth Capital rated Amazon as a buy with a hold recommendation. On Tuesday, the 1st of July, 2025, Bernstein assigned Amazon an outperform rating, also supporting it with a hold recommendation. Finally, on Monday, the 2nd of June, 2025, Citigroup rated Amazon as a buy, accompanied by a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Amazon stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Amazon. The Amazon stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is expected at $226 and $217.67. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, July 21, 2025, and so far, the stock has decreased by nearly 0.8%. A further decline is indicated until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume has decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal from 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 17 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, I signal from 53 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 56 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 22 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal from 36 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 31 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop-loss analysis for Amazon. Amazon finds support from accumulated volume at $223.30. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is expected when the support is tested. Typically, this stock is traded at a solid volume, and with minor daily fluctuations, the associated risk is viewed as low. Over the last day, the stock experienced a movement of $3.65, which is equivalent to 1.61% between its high and low points. For the previous week, the stock exhibited an average daily volatility of 1.51%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Amazon, let us briefly discuss some essential fundamental data. First, consider the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric evaluates a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This PE ratio is relatively standard, often observed in companies with established histories or stable revenue streams. Additionally, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 31st of July 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are set at $1.31. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Amazon. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Amazon is at $229.30. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before considering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could serve as a point of interest for swing trading. On the downside, Amazon faces its first support level at $223.30. If this support level holds, it might present a favorable entry point with the expectation of a rebound. The combined average rating for Amazon from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were carried out by Jeffrey P. Bezos, who bought and sold 7,448,619 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 96.506. In total, insiders acquired 213,995 shares and divested 15,493,107 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $218.27, which reflects a decrease of 4.04%. This stock experiences low daily fluctuations, contributing to a reduced risk profile. Additionally, there is a sell signal generated from a pivot top identified just 1 day ago. Is Amazon stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a fair chance for Amazon stock to perform well in the near future. However, due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture, we have adjusted our analysis conclusion for this stock from a strong buy to a buy candidate since our last evaluation. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 23rd of July, we anticipate Amazon to open higher by approximately 47 cents and begin trading at $227.94. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and take responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.